Special agents, clue number 3 is a listening clue. So you're going to listen to my words and write down the answers to these 5 questions. Some of the answers will be letters. Some of them will be numbers. So listen carefully. If you need to pause the video or go back, you can do that too. Are you ready? Okay, here goes. Number 1. Write down the middle sound in spy. Write down the middle sound in spy. Number 2. Write down the number of syllables in escape. Write down the number of syllables in the word escape. Number 3. Write down the first sound in the word fun. Write down the first sound in the word fun. Number 4. Write down the number of syllables in discover. The number of syllables in discover. And last but not least, write down the last sound you hear in the word help. Write down the last sound you hear in the word help. Put those letters and numbers in order of your questions to find the code. Hurry up, time's running out. Help me if you can. See you soon.